Okay, good afternoon, everybody. Things have not gone as planned, as several people told me it wouldn't. um, what I'd laid out for the farming simulator thing did not work out. I was going to need twice the room that I have in order to get that to work. So I backed up, punted, and trying something else. So I just laid out what I have here on the board. I'm going to work with that. And as you know, the foam is now on top, which several people told me it works much better this way than it does underneath. So I guess I got some bad information. So anyway, so I'll show you this layout here in just a second before we get done. And then plus I had someone give me a train set many years ago, and I never opened it because I was waiting for this moment in time in my life when I was going to retire and build this, right? So I got this down, I started to lay track, and I was going to hook up put the piece of track down. That's where you hook the power supply up, whatever that piece of track's called, and then hook the power supply up to it. And those were not in the box, so I still need to get those. And so anyway, I've got to do that, and then I've got the cork bed laid down, and I got a couple of places out here that I've put in for a couple of buildings that I want to put in. So I've got those marked down over here on the sheet. And then what I was going to draw in the streets that I want. There's 2 streets I want to put in there. And for HO scale, I'm not real sure how wide that needs to be. I Googled it, and it seems like it's like 1 5/8 inch or something like that. I got this cork board, and I think it's like 1 3/4 inches or something like that. So I was thinking about using that as an outline for the streets, but I'm not real sure. So if anybody can put in the comments on how wide, just a 2-lane road, that's all I'm interested in. How wide it should be, then I'll put a center line down it. So if anybody can give me an idea on how HO scale, how wide just a 2-lane road should be, that would be great. And I'll get that drawn in and then kind of go from there. So I'll show you what I've done as far as the cork board goes. So I'm going to be out of the camera. So for my layout, this is kind of what I've done. Just straight stretch here and kind of loops around. And then I'm going to end up putting an inner loop, comes out here and goes back around, hooks in over there too. So that's kind of what I'm planning, and I hope you can see that, because I really can't see what I'm recording at this point. So anyway, stay boy, there you go. So anyway, I haven't made all that much progress, and that's crooked, but I have had a lot of, got more gray hairs over trying to figure out what to do, and I'm finding out how much I don't know. So this one is going to be a learning process for sure. See if there's anything else. So anyway, I guess that's about it. If somebody can answer the question about the road and give any other tips, it would be great. I'm thinking about using some foam like this for the hills and stuff, painting it. I did cut off one piece and paint it just to kind of see how it would turn out. And I didn't, as far as the color goes, I don't think it's too bad. Of course, it would need to be shaped and stuff, but you can't go to the store to get the right color paint and stuff that you need. So, but anyway, any ideas or anything along that line would be great too. So, so we're forging on. So I'll see you again in about a week.